back to my channel. Today's video is about my dining room. For those of you that are new to this channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. Like I said, this video is about my dining room. I'm doing a complete house makeover. So today's is a dining room day. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Okay guys, I went for a mini shopping at Burlington and look at what I found. A lot of great stuff. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous, so gorgeous, and some of them are so cheap. Somebody like me that always wanted to have a chandelier and you cannot stand the wire hanging, this video is for you, because I don't like wires hanging and I'm gonna make it work like I always do. Okay, please watch the video till the end and you will see how the dining room turns out so beautiful. Now this chandelier, it's so easy to put together, very super easy to put together. So as you already see on the video right now how I'm doing it. So I'm cleaning the floor so I can lay down the carpet. So this carpet I ordered overstock. This carpet is super nice. Look at it. It matches everything. The gold, the gray, the silver, everything coordinated. So I really like it. Now I'm putting the wire cover. So I don't like to see the wires. So that's why I ordered this, and it was super long. I cut it in half so I can use for both of the chandeliers.
just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But as we turn, say goodbye.
This is a wire cover, so I'm using this to cover all the wires of the chandelier. So it's a great tool, so if you don't want to see any wires on the floor or anywhere inside your house, this is very useful. This is a light canopy. I'm using double side tape so I can put in the ceiling to give me the look. I'm going to let the music play, but before I go, don't forget to watch the video till the end and like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Wow, I really do like the way the chandeliers look. Just, oh my god, it's amazing. Wow, this is the room. This is my formal dining room. If you guys like it the way I do, so just give me a thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.